West Edmonton Mall's Fantasyland Hotel is filled with various theme rooms, decorated in minute detail and promising you an exciting and unique hotel stay. We recently spent a weekend in Alberta's gigantic mall and got to stay in the Igloo Room. Come check it out with us. Our Fantasyland weekend involved a one-night stay in the Space Room, which you can check out next, as I'll include a link in this video and in the description box below. Also, a day spent exploring the mall and water park, also linked below, and of course, a one-night stay in the Igloo Room. When we first booked the Igloo Room, I had looked up pictures of what to expect. Apparently, there are different levels of rooms, because the luxury suite we saw online was not exactly what we got. It was still pretty cool, but our room was definitely more dated and not as elaborate as the rooms promised online in pictures.
Abby gets to go on first this time.
There's our bags. Oh, guys, this is the Igloo Room. Cool. Look at the igloos. Cool. Open it up. Hello. Double igloo bunkers. Icicles on the roof.
Cool. Oh.
Top bunk. Bottom bunk.
The room definitely stuck to the igloo theme, and we enjoyed staying there. But after the immersive space room, this particular room didn't seem to have the same impact. However, it was a fun concept, and we really appreciated the size of the hot tub.
So the hot tub in the Igloo Room is infinitely better. It's much bigger and we're not all jam-packed inside of it.
Our stay was short and sweet, and we hope to go back to Fantasyland Hotel soon to try out another theme room or two. Fingers crossed for another great deal coming up soon. If you enjoyed this room tour, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment about your favorite part. As well, remember to subscribe if you're new and ring the bell to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Happy travels, everyone!